Hello, welcome back to my Visakhapatnam channel. This is the Employee Management System playlist video. This is the part 2 video. In this part, we are going to create a database named the Employee Management System DB. After that, we are going to create a table named TBL employee. Okay. We will insert a dummy data here in the database. After that, we are creating a project in Visual Studio and we will show the employee list in the panel. Okay, this is okay. Now, for that, we have to just open the Visual Studio here, open the visuals here, the button create new project. Okay. Just search the C sharp MVC. Okay, choose this one. Please keep in mind that we are choosing the C sharp MVC. Okay, this one. Next, you can write any name about the project name, but in this example, we are going to name the employee management. Next, create. We have successfully created a project named Employee Management System. Let us check that this run the Google Chrome. Okay, it's the Google Chrome, right? Okay. Okay, this is the default Visual Studio. We have get this message from here. Okay, change here, change employee system. Okay, just save or you can just click this one, hot reload or this one, okay, hot reload. Have changed the uh, title name employee management system. This is the default view page. Okay. Now we have to create a new for controller. You can just delete this default delete. Right click here, add control. Just create a new controller name employee. Okay, and we have successfully created the control page. Now add the view. Okay, right click here, add view. This is the index.cshtml. Okay, add. Okay, this check this one. Is write the topic name, the employee management. Sorry, employee list. Okay, I will show you the employee list like this title. Let's run this. Okay, change here also program.cs the default controller employee index. Okay, when we run the program, then we will take the employee list. Okay. First of all, we have to create a database in SQL Server and create a table TBL employee, and we will insert some of the dummy data there, and we will show that dummy data individual in here. Our target is like that. For that, we have to open the SQL server. Okay, SQL server. Some of the problem in order to connect this SQL server, you don't need the server name or something like that. For that, I have already given the video in order to connect the SQL server. You can see here this one. See how to find the server name. We can check in this video. I will keep the link in description also. Okay. Okay, we will connect the SQL here. Create a new database. Okay. Let's create. Click this new. Create database. Employee is man. Have successfully create the database. Okay. In order to check whether the database is created or not, you have to just click here and refresh. See, we have successfully created a database, right? Database here, this one, uh, table name TBL employee. Okay, create table TBL employee. Okay, here will be the employee ID, identity 1, 1. It means that it will be implemented automatically. This one, okay. And primary key is for the unique value, okay. Click the first name, Bertha, existing, not, no. Similarly, we have another all the list. Here we have given the column name, employee ID, first name, last name, email, department ID, salary, joining date. Keep in mind that we are using the string for the varchar in order to have the any number like that. We are using int, and for the salary we are using the decimal 18,2, and for the date we are using the date value. Okay, just click this one, select this, just execute, or you can just click the F5. Okay, this inverted shift, the table is created or not. You can check like this. You can see that we have all successfully created a trivial equal. Let us insert some of the geometry. Okay, insert into trivial employee the first name, like that the column name. Okay. Here we have written the column name, first name, last name, email, department ID, salary, joining date. The default value will be values. First name, suppose we have Shaka. The last name is another. Similarly, for example, we have the email gmail.com. Okay, the department ID will be 1. Suppose we have the salary 2 lakhs. Okay, this one. The joining date will be joining date is 2022 January 20. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, there's your have successfully inserted the data. Previously, we have the one of the data, right? Or it also means to other the Gmail ID, the problem is 2, 45 lakhs, 2020, then suppose we have the district also. Cute. Okay. Have the two employee in this organization, Vishaka and Anisa. Our target is to show this employee list in this way, right? Okay. Now we will open the continue in the Visual Studio. Okay. First of all, we will create one of the div folder services. Okay, for the repository. Okay. Let's stop this. Create an interface. Let's right click, add class. Interface must be name with a first letter must be I. Okay, I employee repository. Let's add public interface. I employee repository. In this list, we are using the async, so we have to write list. So we will write the list. Okay. List of what? Employee list. Okay, this is the model name. Okay, model name. Let us suppose that it's method it all employee async. Okay, okay. Now we have created a interface. In order to create the employee model, just click here, right click, add class. Okay. Employee. Okay, this is the model. Okay, directly return this okay, public int employee ID get set, public string first name get set. This is the default. If we have not kept anything, then it will be string of empty. Okay, or it will show this one. This line shows that it will show you the error message if somebody try to add the employee and he or she forget to write the first name, then it will show this message first name is required. Display name means it will show you the it must just name. Okay. I think we will see in the link program and you will be pretty much clear about this. This also, if last name isn't written, this is the validation. Okay, this all are the validation. Okay, for the decimal we have using see the range. Range must be 0 to this minute. If the salary is -1, then it will show you the message of valid salary like that. Okay, space namespace of see in employee model we have the namespace employee management system dot model, right? And we have used the namespace here. Okay. To the app or repository. Okay. In this part, we will just connect the SQL server and we will get the data from the database. Okay. Okay. So here I employ this one. Okay. Part is for the connection the SQL server. See, this is private read-only string, connection string. This is the constructor public employee repository I configuration. Okay, this we have connect the default connection like this. Okay, right there the public async. This is the async task. So let's see async. For async, we will must write the task here. And this output will be in the form of list. So we have this. This is the model name. This is the link. Okay. This is the just showing the default value. See, new list employee. In order to connect the SQL, we have used the using SQL connection. For that, we have just click here of data SQL. This one, okay. Successfully connect the SQL connection. Okay, here we have written the query. Select star employee ID, first name, last name. Here we have written the public async task list. This async we use the task here. We have the value list like a list output. So we are using this is the employee, means this is the model, this is the method, and we have the default value new list employee. Okay, this one we in order to connect to the database we are using the SQL connection here. And this is the query in order to get the data from the this is the exactly same. Okay, just seeing here. See, oh, we have get the value. This one is query. Okay, we have use the SQL command here, and again we have the open this await connection open sync using the SQL data reader. We have read this query, and all the query is collected in this here in this employees, and this employee will be returned like this here. Okay. We just create the repository, then we have to just put here, okay, add scope, this one, okay, add scope, okay, We will connect the database here, just default connection in here. See, in the app setting, we have to run here. Okay, see, connections here. Let's bring this default connection server. Our server name is here. See, your server name. This one, see. I think your server name can be different. My server name is this one. Okay, this is the server name, and this is the database we have created. Employee management system DB. Trusted connection true means we don't need to write the username and password like that. Okay, this default connection same spelling in me in here. See, and this okay. Now we will use the constructor dependency injection here. The repository, private read only, I employee repository, underscore repository, public employee controller, I will repository underscore repository. If you have some of the confusion about the dependency injection, I have also created another view for sorry another video for the dependency injection. You can I have will be give the link below. Okay. Now we have successfully created the dependency here. Okay. Okay. In previous in employee repository, we have used the async, right? So in your controller also we have to use the async here. See, public async. If there is async, then we have to write tasks like this, and we are getting the list like output, right? And then we have to write list. This is the model name, employee. Okay, this one. Now we will just write the raw employees. If we are using async, then we have to write the await here. Repository, this one, repository, okay, dot, j, this one, okay. So, we have to do this one, okay, and enclose, okay, we will pass here, and in the view, okay, just go to view, this one, I'm sorry for that, we have to write the public async tags I action result means it can be a list or anything like that. We normally use the I action result in controller. Okay, this is the view name index. Okay, now we will change in the view also here. We will get the value in the model by using this iterate model INenuLabel, this employee management system. We will get the value in the model. Okay, this data title means that, okay, just run this. I will just show you this part. Okay, okay, this view data title employee directory means here you can see that the employee directory. See this one. Okay, this employee list means this. This is the headline, right? And this is the table. We have created the table, and the head, the this is the column header name, first name, last name, email, department, salary, see, first name, last name, email, department, where is the spelling, yes, department, it's okay. salaries and action, and we will get the value in the model. See here, and for each means there is the list, right? And we will get the value in the model and in the item. See, and we will show by iterate item dot question like that. Okay, invert to just I will show you this. Put the deeper point here. Okay, this one. See this hover. See, you can see that there is a value in the model, right? And when we do the F-paint, item, we can see that there's a value. See, item dot department ID will get one, and if added item dot email, then we will get this value pa@gmail.com. In this way, we will have getting the value like this. Okay, we have successfully shown the employee list from the database, right? In our next video, we are going to show you the employee add, employee edit, employee delete, and employee detail accrued, complete accrued for the employee. I hope you have enjoyed my video. We will see you in my next video. Thank you.